Welcome to the Amy at Global.Media. So I wanted a way to thank my loyal clients who've kept with us through COVID. So I came across Sage with Champers, and I thought, what classy way to say thank you to your customers. So I ordered some champagne from Didier with Champers, and just over a week they have arrived. Let's have a look. One package, so the nice will say. Look at that. Branded champagne bottles. There are 12 of them, all in bubble wrap, which is perfect. So it's got my logo, it's got my name on there. Thank you. Message to my clients. Global.Media champagne. It's a great price, professional look, and I'm sure it tastes wonderful. There's no better way to say thank you to your client or anyone else who you appreciate. I would recommend Say It with Champers because I'm very impressed with the product and the price and the service.